Looking for a dash cam that captures everything in ultra-clear detail? This 4K plus 2K dual dash cam might be exactly what you need. 4K front plus 2K rear recording. This dash cam records ultra-sharp 4K in the front and 2K in the rear, making license plates and road details easy to read. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 5.8G and 2.4G. With dual Wi-Fi support, you get faster downloads on 5.8G and better compatibility on 2.4G. Built-in GPS tracking. The built-in GPS records speed, location, and route history, perfect for evidence and trip tracking. Night Vision with WDR. Advanced night vision and WDR deliver balanced exposure and clear footage even in low-light driving. 24H parking monitor and G-sensor. The G-sensor automatically locks footage during impacts, and 24-hour parking mode keeps your car protected when parked. Excellent front and rear image quality. Free 64 GB memory card included. Wide 170 degrees viewing angle reduces blind spots. Parking mode may require hardwire kit. No interior camera. If you want sharp video, reliable GPS, and full front and rear protection, this dash cam delivers great value for daily driving. Drive with confidence and capture every moment automobile video camera. Backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more car tech reviews.